How far now, my people? As I dey enjoy my Lipton tea, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter wey go change our life.
Matthew chapter 12. That time, Jesus come waka pass one corn farm for Sabbath day. His disciples come dey pluck the corn chop because dem dey hungry. But when the Pharisee people see them, dem come tell Jesus,
"See, your disciples dey break the law for Sabbath day."
Jesus come answer,
Una never read wetin David do when he and him people dey hungry, how they enter God house come chop the holy bread wey ordinary people no suppose chop, because na only priest suppose to chop am? Or una never read for Moses law say priests dey work for Sabbath day, but nobody dey say dem commit sin? I tell una, person wey big pass the temple dey here with una now. If to say una know wetin dis thing mean, na mercy I want, not be sacrifice. Una not for condemn person wey no commit sin. Man pikin na him be the oga for Sabbath day.
Then Jesus comot there, come enter their synagogue. One man when him hand die dey there. Some people wey dey find as dem go take accuse Jesus come ask,
E dey right to eat for Sabbath day?
Jesus answer,
If any of una get sheep wey fall inside pit for Sabbath day, you no go carry am out? Human being better pass sheep. So e dey right to do good for Sabbath day.
Then Jesus tell the man,
Stretch your hand.
na the man stretch him hand, and the hand come strong like the other one. But the Pharisee people come go plan as dem go take kill Jesus. When Jesus hear say dem dey plan to kill am, he come comot from there. Many people follow am, and he come heal all of them wey no well. But he warn them say make dem not tell anybody who he be. This make wetin prophet Isaiah talk happen.
Na my servant wey I choose be this, the one wey I love, wey I dey happy with. I go put my spirit inside am, and he go judge the world. He no go quarrel or shout. Nobody go hear him voice for public. He no go touch person wey weak, or quench the small hope wey person get, until them go stop to oppress people. And his name go give hope to Gentile and other people for this world.
So they come bring one blind man wey get demon and not fit talk come meet Jesus. Jesus heal am, and the man come dey see and talk. The people surprise well come dey ask,
This not be David pikin wey we dey wait for?
but when the Pharisee people hear wetin dem dey talk, dem come answer,
Na Beelzebub wey be demon oga power e dey use take drive demons comot from people body.
when Jesus know wetin dem dey think for their mind, he come say,
Every kingdom wey dey fight with himself go scatter, and no town or family wey dey fight themselves go fit stand. So if Satan dey drive Satan comot, he don divide himself be that. How him kingdom go fit stand? And if na Beelzebub power I dey take drive demons comot, na which power una children dey take drive demon too? Because of this, una children go judge una. But if na God spirit I take dey drive demons, na him be say God kingdom don already come meet una. How person go fit break enter strong man house, come thief him property, unless he first tie the strong man? Then he go get chance thief wetin dey the house. Anybody wey not dey with me dey against me, and anybody wey not join me dey scatter my work. Na him make me dey tell una say God go forgive people their sin and all the bad word wey dem talk, but anybody wey curse or talk bad word against the Holy Spirit, God no go forgive am. Anybody wey talk bad against man pikin, God fit forgive am. But anybody wey talk bad against the Holy Spirit, God no go ever forgive am, whether for this life or the one wey dey come. Good tree dey bear good fruit, and bad tree dey bear bad fruit. Na the fruit wey tree bear, na im people take dey know the kind tree wey e be. Una Snake children, how una wan take talk good word since una wicked? Na wetin full person heart, na him mouth go talk. As good person dey bring good things from him heart, na so bad person dey bring bad things from him heart too. I tell you na true word. For judgment day, people go answer God for all the yeye word wey dem talk. Na the word wey you dey talk, na him go fit free or condemn you for God front.
Some of them wey be law teacher and Pharisee people come tell Jesus.
Teacher, we want make you show us sign.
Jesus answer.
See this bad and wicked people for this time wey dey ask for sign. I no go show una any sign except prophet Jonah own. As Jonah dey inside big fish belle for 3 days and night, na so man pikin go dey for grave for 3 days and night too. For judgment day, Nineveh people go condemn the people for this time, because when Jonah preach give them, then turn from sin come meet God. And now somebody wey big pass Jonah dey here with una. For judgment day, Sheba queen go condemn the people for this time, because he traveled from far place come hear Solomon wisdom. And now somebody wey big pass Solomon dey here with una. When evil spirit don comot from person body, e dey pass where water no dey, dey find where e go rest. But if e no see, e go tell himself, I go back to the house where I from comot. When e go back, come see say the house empty and dem don sweep and arrange am. E go bring 7 spirit wey wicked pass am come. They go enter the person, come sit down for there. So the person condition go come bad pass as e be before. Na like this e go happen to evil people for this time.
As Jesus still dey talk, him mama and brothers come stand for outside because dem wan see am. So somebody for there come tell Jesus.
See, your mama and brothers dey outside because they wan talk to you.
Jesus come ask the person,
who be my mama and brothers?
Then Jesus point to him disciples come say,
see, na these people be my mama and brothers. Person wey do wetin my papa for heaven want, na that person be my brother, sister and mama.
How far now, my people? With time, we go know the truth, and the truth will set us free. Make una like this video, share am, and follow am.